listening to the
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes, amigo. ¿Cómo estás? How are you?
Good.
Come
How
on
are
in. Entra.
I'm here with Alex Torres in the kitchen. This is where some of the magic happens.
Some of it, that's correct.
And the rest of it.
Yes, it happens out in the studio, and Lua will take you out there, but we got to get moving. We got to get cooking, because I got a bunch of hungry musicians.
What are you going to cook for us?
It's a dish that we call Puerto Rican lasagna, pastelón. No noodles. You're just going to run a little quick incision.
My father was a surgeon. I wish I had him here to...
Well, there you go.
Of course, my dad was OBGYN. You know what that stands for, right?
What does it stand for?
Oh boy, got you naked. Every Wednesday, you cook like this, and the guys in your band come over,
Yes.
and then you feed them and you rehearse, correct?
Yes, yes. I think that's why nobody wants to leave the band. Slide into that corner.
Yeah! Is anybody hungry?
¿Tienen hambre? I can eat. I know you can eat, but can you play? 1, 2, 3.
What does it take to make a great Irish pub? Well, you've got to have good food, good music, good drink, and good times, which in Ireland is called the crack. I'm here at O'Slattery's Irish Restaurant and Pub in Delmar, New York. Let's go inside. I've invited some friends. Thanks for coming. I really appreciate it. It should be fun. I'm going to play both kinds of music today, Irish and Beatles, because I'm in a Beatles band and an Irish group, and some other sing-alongs, so I'm going to kind of mix things up. Hold me, love me, hold me, love me. I ain't got nothing but love, girl. 8 days a week. This is Liam, and this is Keith, and you guys are the owners of O'Slattery's Irish Restaurant and Pub, correct?
Yes.
8 days a week.
The reason Delmar, we were always trying to do something in Manhattan, but Manhattan became too crazy, and my wife is from Delmar, so we got family up here, so we started looking into it, and then we found this location and said, this is perfect.
You need my love, babe, just like I need you. Shawangunk?
Yeah, the Shawangunk Mountains. Yeah. There's a variety of ways people say it.
I'm here at the Mountain Brauhaus with Ilka, one of the owners. It was established, as was I, in 1955. Your husband is an owner and chef, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Can you tell me a little bit about the place?
So my great uncle started it. He had a tavern down the road and heard that Route 299 here was going to be put in, so he thought, oh, that corner might be nice.
Vinaigrette?
Thank you. It's been so long since I've eaten vegetables, my colon's going to think it's a stick-up. Ilka said that her mother and grandmother, it's a family tradition to create the attire that you wear here.
This dress was specifically made for me. It has 2 other aprons that go with it. And we get fitted in her sewing room, which is filled with dirndls. We might as well call it a dirndl room.
Does she make the guys?
No, we ordered the
they call it lederhosen.
Lederhosen. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
I just like saying lederhosen.
I know, it's a good word,
It's
right?
a fun word. Say it with me, will you? Lederhosen.
Lederhosen.
It's historical weekend and Schlachtfest, correct?
That's correct. I always say this, a lot of people will die here this weekend, but nobody gets hurt. This is a celebration weekend here, but it's also a tribute to the vets. So we've been doing this, it's our 7th year here, World War II weekend. Depending on how the weather goes, we plan to have several battles in the field, a lot of original equipment. This is the best kept secret, I think, in New York. This is the most Bavarian atmosphere that you can experience in my book. This place does it right.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. A little hungry, so I'd like to get the Wiener Schnitzel, please.
Wiener Schnitzel with homemade spätzle.
I can't eat too much of any one thing because, as Johnny Carson would say, more to come.